Assalamu alaikum students. How are you students? I hope you all are fine and doing great. So today is 10 November 2023 and the day is Friday and it's your math lesson. First of all, we'll recall some laws of logarithms and then we'll see how they are applicable in numerical calculations. The first law of logarithm is if we have log of a cross b, then it can be written as log of a plus log of b. This multiplication sign will be changed into addition sign with logs. Log of a multiply b can be written as log of a plus log of b. Similarly, log of a over b can be written as log of a minus log of b. First of all, we will write the numerator log of a and then the denominator log of b. The third law is if we have log with some power, for example log of a raised to power n, then it can be written as n log of a. Power will always come first. N log of a. Now see the examples. For example, if I have log of 21 multiplies 7, so it can be written as log of 21 plus log of 7. And if I have log of 21 over 7, it can be written as log of 21 minus log of 7. If I have log of 324 raised to power 3, then it can be written as 3 log of 324. Got it? These are the laws of logarithm which will be used in numerical calculations of exercise 3.4. I am writing an example on the board. Find the value of 0.8176 multiply 13.64. We have to find out the value of this. For this, first of all, you have to fix your calculators up to 4 decimal places. You have to fix your calculators up to 4 decimal places. This is mandatory to solve these questions. Your calculator should be fixed up to 4 decimal places. The first step is let x is equal to the whole question. 0.8176 multiply 13.64. Then the next step is take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Log of x is equal to log of the whole bracket. 0.8176 multiply 13.64. In the next step, what will you do? Do you have any idea? Yes, you will apply the property of logarithm and this will convert into positive sign. Exactly. How will we write it? Log of 0.8176 plus log of 13.64. Now you have to find out the value of log 0.8176 by using the calculator, which is minus 0.0875. Again, you have to find out the value of log 13.64 by using the calculator, which is 1.1348. And in the next step, you will solve these values minus plus 0.0875 plus 1.1348. and the answer is 0.0473. But this is not the answer. This is the value of log x. But we have to find out the value of x because this expression is equal to x. Now who will tell me what we have to do when the logarithm of some number is given? To find out the number, what we have to do? Yes, we have to find out the anti-logarithm of that number. Exactly. To find out the anti-log, you have to press shift and then log from your calculator, taking anti-log on both sides. Anti-log on both sides. Anti-log into log of x is equal to anti-log of 1.0473. This anti-log and log will cancel each other and we will have only x is equal to. To find out the anti-log, you have to press the shift and then log from your calculator and you will get your answer. Shift log 1.0473 and your answer is 11.1506. This will be the value of the given question. The value of 0.8176 multiplied 13.64 is 11.1506. Look at this calculator, boys and girls. To fix your calculator, first of all you have to press the button of shift, then mod, then press 6 and then 4. Now your calculator is fixed up to 4 decimal places. To find out the log, you have to press log the number which is 0.8176. And you will get your answer minus 0.0875. Okay, and to find out the anti-log, you have to press shift, then log and then press the whole number which is 1.0473. So your final answer is, you can see 11.1506. Keep it in your mind when you have to calculate the value log of 0.8176, then don't write again log with this term, because this is the already log of some numbers. Okay? See another example now. I am writing another example on the board which is 438 raised to power 3, and in radical sign I have 0.056 over 388 raised to power 4. What will be the first step? The first step is to let x is equal to 438 raised to power 3, 0.056 over 388 raised to power 4. What will be the next step? The next step is to take log on both sides, taking log on both sides. So take log on both sides, log of x is equal to log of the whole question. 438 raised to power 3 into 0.056 over 388 raised to power 4. Then in next step you will apply the properties of logarithm, and now look at the board carefully. These two terms are multiplying with each other and they will be converted into addition. Log of 438 raised to power 3 plus log of 0.056. And what about this? over 388. As it is in division, so we'll write minus log of 388 raised to power 4. What will be the next step? The next step is to apply further the laws of logarithm. This will be come first 3 log 438. Then this can be written as, this radical sign can be written as log of 0.056 raised to power 1 by 2 minus, this power will also come forward, minus 4 log of 388. Now we have another power which will also come forward, 3 log of 438 plus 1 by 2 log of 0.056 minus 4 log of 388. Now you have to find out the values of these logarithms. Press log then 438 and you will get the answer 2.6415. 3 times 2.6415 plus 1 by 2. Press another log 0.056 and this is equal to minus 1.2518. Similarly, minus 4 times log of 388 can be written as minus 4 times 2.5888. Now simplify it further. You multiply 3 with 2.6415 and this will be equal to 7.9245 plus minus 1.2518 will be divided by 2 and we will get the answer 0.6259 minus 4 times 2.5888 and this is equal to 10.3552. Now calculate it further. 7.9245 minus 0.6259 minus 10.3552 and this is equal to minus 3.0566. Is this the answer? No, this is not the answer. This is the value of log x, but we have to find out the value of x. So what will be the next step? Taking anti-log on both sides. To find out the anti-log, we'll write anti-log into log of x is equal to anti-log of minus 3.0566. This will be cancelled and we have x is equal to, now to find out the anti-log, look at the calculator again, press shift log and then write the number minus 3.0566 which is equal to 0.0009. You can see that the calculator is fixed up to 4 decimal places and I am getting all the answers up to 4 decimal places. Okay, so this is the right way to solve the questions involving the logarithms. In this question, we have to find out the value of this expression and this expression contains some powers and some radical signs, also a denominator with some power. So we solved it step by step. First of all, we let x is equal to the whole expression. Then we take log on both sides. Then in the next step we apply the laws of logarithms to solve out the value. Then we find out the values of log, and in the end we calculate the anti-log to find out the final value of x. Next, see another example. If I have, let me raise the board. If you have two terms in the denominator, then what will you do? Who will tell me? I am writing an example. For example, 1.23 into 0.6975 over 0.0075 into 1278. You can see that we have two terms in the denominator which are multiplying. So what will you do? We will solve it step by step. First step will be, let x is equal to 1.23 into 0.6975 over 0.0075 into 1278. Next step is to take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, take the log of all the terms. Log of x is equal to the log of the whole expression 1.23 into 0.6975 over 0.0075 into 1278. Then in the next step, you will you will apply the laws, which is the very important step. Log of 1.23, you can see they are multiplying, so they will convert it into positive sign. 1.23 plus log of 0.6975. What will we do for the denominator? Can I write minus log of 0.0075 and plus log of 1278? Is it the right way? No. This is not the right way. You have to write the bracket here. This minus sign shows that the terms are from the division, from denominators, and as they are multiplying, so we will add these two. In the next step, you will open the brackets. Log of 1.23 plus log of 0.6975 minus log of 0.0075 minus log of 1278. This is the right way. Now calculate the logarithms of these all the four terms. Log of 1.23, which is equal to 0.0899 plus log of 0.6975, which is equal to minus 0.1565 minus log of 0.0075. This is equal to minus 2.1249 minus log of 1278, and this is equal to 3.1065. What will you do in the last step? You will calculate all the terms, open the brackets, plus minus, 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 plus, and then by using the calculator solve out the terms and then find out the anti-log. So this is how you solve the questions by using logarithms. You can solve by using a logarithm table, but for now you have to use the calculator, and by using the calculator solve out the values, find out the answer, and then take anti-logarithm. One thing which should be kept in your mind is that your calculator should be fixed up to 4 decimal places, so that you can get the answer up to 4 decimal places. And you have to solve all the questions step by step. First step is let, then take log, then apply the laws of logarithms, and then take anti-log. So students, your diary is to do practice of exercise 3.4, question number 1. You have to do practice of this question. Got it? I'll check it on Monday. Take care. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.